Hey devtagagi, hope that I'm saying that right. Peaches actually pointed me in your direction, and I'm very glad she did. You are talking about, at least in this video, something that is fairly interesting to me, although not because of babies. Essentially, I don't give a damn about babies. Other than we need them to keep the human race going, which is, always nice. I want to be able to upgrade myself. We do have the technology to do gene doping or gene therapy on ourselves. Those same genetic traits that you're talking about, giving to babies in vitro, is very nice, and I'm all for it. Better babies make a better future. If everyone was born with a mental disorder, like you were saying with the Down syndrome, society would quickly collapse and the humans would evaporate. So people that say they don't want to have healthy babies or they wouldn't change their children to become more healthy or more normal are lying or martyrs, as you suggest. But again, personally, I don't care. Babies are going to be either healthy or die, essentially, if they're deformed enough. They won't survive. So the human race will survive either way. I want to upgrade myself. I've been looking into what's called gene doping, and I guess it's just a gene therapy, where they're able to take DNA, or a genetic trait from one person, and give it to another person. Be able to take the DNA programming of their skin color. I wouldn't mind being a little more brown. I tend to burst into flames in the sun. That would be better. There are people that are either immune or resistant to HIV. I wouldn't mind having that handy little genetic trait. One of the stinks over the Olympics was the fact that it's possible to get the genetic traits of a Tibetan mountain man. In case you don't know that Tibet has half the oxygen. Actually, I'm sure that you know. Tibet has half the oxygen, and the people that have grown up over generations in the mountains of Tibet have evolved a superior cardiovascular system. And they are now able to take that genetic trait and give it to athletes, so that athletes at sea level would have twice the oxygen capacity. And as many know, it's all about oxygen in athletic competitions. So that's what I want. Screw designer babies. I want to design myself.